Today, this light over here is burnt out, and this light is working. That's my low beams. In a case like that, the first thing you do before you do anything, you get behind here and you wiggle this thing around and see if the beams come on, which they're not, so we got to replace it. It's a good idea to reach in here, just pull that off like that. Now it's pretty hard to see in there, but there's a screw here, there's a screw here, and you get up on top, and there's one on the left side, one on the right side. So we're going to get the screws out first, and we're going to take the plate off. Now we unscrewed those screws, take our face plate off, and that's it. I don't know if you could see that. There's water inside there, you see it? I was wondering why I wasn't getting my high beams. Well, that's the reason. That seal came right off. I guess the seal got loose. That's what caused that to go bad. Well, it went down and I matched it up. So next thing we're going to do is just open this box. Take a look at it. Same exact thing in the back. I'll give it a test. Well, just for the heck of it, since it's so easy, just gonna plug this in here like this and give it a little test. Turn the lights on. High beam, low beam. Now I install it. Well, we know the light works. I know I'm putting it in the right way. I'm just going to get it in there. Take a good look to make sure I'm lined up. And then put my first screw right in there. That's one. That's two. That's three and four. That's it. She's all in there. I'm going to take this, shove it back in. So that's it. Both of my lights are working. That's the end of it.